Now that we are satisfied with our website, we can begin the process of building the website, also known as compiling. When we compile the website, it is transformed from the WebEasy format that we see here to the actual HTML coding. All of the HTML and media files will be sent to a folder of our choice. These files will now be ready to upload to our hosting provider. Before we start, I recommend making a temporary export folder on the desktop to make uploading our site quick and simple. Once that's done, we can go into the WebEasy program. Let's quickly go through all of the pages in our document to make any last-minute changes and clean things up a bit. It's also a good idea to do one last preview of the website to check for any formatting errors. The most common errors to look for would be text that is cut off due to a text field being too small and the alignment of content on our pages. We should also test all the links to see if they work and bring us to the desired pages. Once we are happy with our website, we can go ahead and build it. To accomplish this, we need to go to our menu bar, click on the link labeled Build, and select Website out of the drop-down menu. This will open a dialog box containing our website building options. The first thing we will need to do is change the destination folder. This is where the website files will be sent after it has completed the building process. Let's click the folder search icon and select the folder we created earlier labeled Temp Export. Next, we need to make sure the output range is set to all pages. If the output range is set to current page, WebEasy will only build the current page of our website. Let's leave the remaining default settings alone and click OK to build the website. Now we are ready to log into our hosting provider's website. In this case, I'll be using GoDaddy.com. We will need to locate the FTP client, which stands for File Transfer Protocol. This is the tool that will allow us to transfer our website files to the hosting provider's server. Once we find the FTP client page, we need to locate the files before we can transfer them. Most often, there will be two file menus open. One will be labeled Local System and the other Remote System. The local system refers to our personal computer, which means this is where we need to look for our website files. After we open the Temp Export folder, we will need to highlight all the contents and click the Upload button. The Upload button will vary between hosting providers. In this case, it's simply a set of arrows pointing toward the Remote System file menu. Our website is now published and viewable on the Internet. Type in the domain name you have registered with the hosting provider and you will see your finished website. Thanks for watching the Beginner Series videos. Again, if you have any technical issues, questions, comments, or suggestions, simply visit procureeminence.com/contact us and fill out the appropriate form. Please keep in mind that we work hard to bring you free educational videos. Any donations are greatly appreciated. Besides, if you donate $5 or more to support our free education efforts, you will receive a free copy of the complete Beginner Series in HD. With your help, Procure Eminence can become the largest supplier of high-quality, free education. We would like to thank our friends at Off-Road Innovation for providing the voiceover audio for all our videos.